how to create an Epic Games account quick guide. Now if you wish to create an Epic Games account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then you can see the little button that says sign in. Tap on the sign in button. Then when you tap on the sign in button, on the next page you will see a couple of options. It says if you have an Epic Games account you can sign in, or if you don't you can tap on this little create account button right here. Then when you tap on the create account button, again this is the type of interface you will see. Here you can simply enter your date of birth, day, as well as also the year. And once you've done that, then you can tap on continue, choose the email address and the phone number that you'd like to go ahead and then use for your Epic Games account. And once you enter your email, first name, display and password and tap on continue, your Epic Games account will be successfully created. This way you could go ahead and then basically create an Epic Games account. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.